In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two cells in Excel. This is a simple formatting task, and it is useful when you want to combine neighboring cells into one larger cell. People often use this for titles, section labels, or headings that need to stretch across more than one column. The good news is that Excel makes this very quick once you know where to click. To begin, move your mouse over the cells you want to combine. These should be next to each other. Click and drag across them so both cells are highlighted. If you want to merge more than two adjacent cells, you can highlight that full range as well. The important thing is that the cells are selected before you move on. Once the cells are highlighted, go to the top of the Excel window and click the Home tab. This is where many of Excel's basic formatting tools are located, including the option to merge cells. If you are already on the Home tab, you can stay there and look across the ribbon for the correct section. Now locate the Alignment group in the Toolbar ribbon. This section is usually near the middle of the Home tab, and it contains several options for positioning text inside a cell. Take a moment to find the Merge and Center button. It usually has an icon that shows a lowercase letter with horizontal arrows on each side, which helps indicate that cells will be combined. Click the Merge and Center button once. As soon as you do that, Excel will merge the selected cells into one single larger cell. If there was text in the selected area, it will move into the center of the new merged cell. This gives the content a cleaner and more organized appearance, especially for headings. After clicking, check your worksheet to confirm that the merge worked correctly. You should now see one combined cell instead of separate individual cells, and the text should appear centered within that new space. If everything looks correct, then the merge is complete. One quick tip to keep in mind is that merging cells changes the layout of your sheet, so it is best used for formatting rather than storing data you plan to sort or filter later. For simple labels and headings, though, it works very well. That covers everything you need to know.